This is how much YouTube paid me for uploading YouTube shorts, guys. When I tell you YouTube shorts make a lot of money, I am not joking. You are seeing by yourself. I'm already monetized, yes, so that means that I'm earning revenue from YouTube. And now I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me. This is crazy, guys. As you can see, YouTube has so far paid me 183 after 30 days of uploading YouTube shorts. And when I tell you do not sit on YouTube shorts, I mean it. Instead of wasting time on TikTok, uploading TikTok, and TikTok is not paying you, please start uploading YouTube shorts. And when I tell you I do not put my face on these YouTube shorts, I mean it. I only use ChatGPT and AI, yes, then create these videos and then post on YouTube. So guys, I'm going to show you how much YouTube has been paying me. Take a look at this video right here. So ever since I uploaded this video, this is how much YouTube has paid me. And just imagine if in case you are uploading videos like this and then you get the same amount of views, YouTube is going to pay you like crazy, guys. Okay, so this video here, I uploaded it on 13th July. It's so far it has been 8 days, and then when you come here, you are seeing that when I uploaded it, I first got around 0 views, 263 views, and then 19,000 views, and then it increased. It's increasing, meaning this video is going to go viral. Okay, so ever since I uploaded it, it's been 8 days, guys. You can see it's 8 days ever since I uploaded this video, and this is how it's doing. This is how people find this video, and let me show you how much I've made so far on this video. So the views are 19.8k views usual, and then the video itself, it has 21k views. So this is how much YouTube has paid me. I've so far got gained 188 subscribers, and then guys, this is the amount YouTube has paid me. It's $4.7. Roughly it's $5. Okay, roughly $5. So just imagine you uploading these YouTube shorts. It's not even more than 2 minutes. It's just the duration is just 1 minute and 20 seconds. Can you imagine, guys? Do not sit on YouTube videos. YouTube is paying super crazy. So just imagine you uploading videos like this, and then you get around the same amount of views, like 10 shorts. YouTube is going to be paying you big amounts. So guys, that is how much YouTube has been paying me, and this is the revenue so far of that video. Okay, and this is the RPM. As you can see, it's paying me 0.50 cents for every 1k views. Guys, do not sit on YouTube revenue. And ever since I uploaded those YouTube shorts, it's been 1 month of me being in the YouTube partner program, and this is how much YouTube has paid me. It's $183. Can you imagine, guys? YouTube shorts is everything now. Do not sit on TikTok and start posting videos that are not paying you anything. Start uploading YouTube shorts now. So people out there who are scared of showing you their face, and you don't know what to read to upload on YouTube, kindly use ChatGPT. It's going to tell you everything. Just upload, keep uploading, and you will see. Thank you. If you feel this video is helpful, kindly subscribe to the Boss Life channel. See you in my next video. Bye.